So in 12.5, we're sort of going to combine what we have learned with combining like terms and distributive property. So let's remember how to simplify quick expressions. These are expressions. You get 9x minus 27 plus 2. You are never allowed to leave like terms. You always have to combine them. So this becomes 9x. Negative 27 plus 2 is negative 25. That becomes 9x minus 25. Here, we're going to distribute the negative 2. Negative 8x minus 14 plus 5x. We've got like terms there. Negative 8x plus 5x is negative 3x. So it's negative 3x minus 14. So to solve this equation, you sort of can guess what to do. You start with distributive property. 9x minus 27 plus 2 equals 20. Combine your like terms. 9x minus 25 now equals 20. It's like the one above it. Now we have a two-step equation. So you just solve your two-step equation. 9x equals 45. Divide by 9, and x equals 5. And if you could do that without my help, you already know what to do today. So words are going to be a little more complicated than that, but you would just distribute the 3 here and the positive 4 here, and you would solve, keep going. So let's see some. So we're going to distribute, first thing you do is distributive property. You want to get rid of those parentheses. So 25 equals negative 2x minus 10 plus 7x. Negative 2x plus 7x is 5x. 5x minus 10. So we did distributive property and we combined like terms all in the same problem. And look what happened. We got a two-step equation. Add 10 to both sides. 35 equals 5x. Divide both sides by 5. And 7 equals x. Yes, this looks harder than it is. You're just going to do the distributive property twice. 3 times 2x, 6x. 3 times 9 is 27. You're going to distribute a positive 2 because it's plus 2. Plus 2x minus 6 equals 29. Now you combine the like terms. 6x plus 2x is 8x. 27 minus 6 is 21. You got a two-step equation. Subtract 21 from both sides. That's 8x equals 8. Divide both sides by 8. X equals 1. 1 is the only number that makes this true. Right? So the only way this all comes out true is if you put 1s where x is. Let's make sure we understand that. Right? If I do all this evaluating, it will come out 29. And no other number where x is will make it equal all that left side equal 29. So here you have to distribute a negative 2. Here it's distributing a 1, which is a waste of time. And then that's negative 2x plus 6. Negative 2 times negative 3. If there's an error, it's usually right there. 7x minus 2x is 5x. 5 plus 6 is 11. There's our two-step. 5x equals 50. Ran out of room, but divide both sides by 5. X equals 10. Here you distribute a negative 1. So it's 3x minus 1x, if you want to put it in, minus 10 equals 12. 3x minus 1x, 2x. 2x minus 10 equals 12. Two-step equation, add 10. 2x equals 22. Divide by 2. X equals 11. Which equation is equivalent, right? We're not just getting answers. So let's do that. 1/5 times 10x is 2x, right? And if you need to, just come to the side. What's 1/5 times 10? Oh, it's 2. 2x. 1/5 times negative 15, oh, is minus 3. So we have 2x minus 3 plus 7 equals negative 12. We combine our like terms. We get 2x plus 4 equals negative 12. Do we have one of those? Yeah, we do. There's the two-step equation. That's equivalent. Apples are 3 times the cost of bananas. That's why you have that in the chart. Find x, the price of the bananas, if the total cost of 4 of each item is $42. All right, so 4 of each item. So we have a 3x plus an x plus a 2.5 equals 42. Now we can I'm going to combine these like terms first and get 4x plus 2.5 in there. And then I'm going to do my distributive property. But you could distribute right off the bat. That's fine. That also works. That's totally personal preference. So 4 times 4x is 16x. 4 times 2.5 What's 4 times $2.50? Oh, it's $10. And that's 42, not 4.2. Subtract 10, two-step equation. 16x equals 32. Oh, that's 16 goes into 32 very nicely. X equals $2. Remember, this is money. Bananas were $2. The apples were 3 times that, $6. We're practicing. All right, so here you're distributing a -6. Here you're distributing a +3. You get 15x plus 18 minus 12x plus 6 equals 24. 15x minus 12x, 3x, 18 plus 6 is 24 equals 24. Oh, this is good because I haven't done one of these. Subtract 24 on both sides. 3x equals 0. Divide both sides by 3. What's the answer here? The only number that makes this all true is 0. That is the answer, 0. 1/3 times 12x, 1/3 times 12 is 4, so this is 4x. 1/3 times 3 is 1, so this is 4x minus 1 minus 12 equals 19. -1 minus 12 is -13, right? Same as adding -12. Add 13 to both sides. 4x equals 32. Divide both sides by 4. X equals 8. Here you distribute a -1. Here you distribute a +1. So you get 2x plus 6 minus x plus 2. All right, you have to distribute a -1 equals 50. 2x minus x is x. 6 plus 2 is 8. This comes down to a one-step equation. Subtract 8 from both sides. X equals 42. Find x, the cost of the apples, if the total cost of one package of grapes plus 2 apples and 2 bananas is $12.80. So this is not distributive property. If the total cost of one package of grapes, let's do it this way. All right, $2.40 plus 2 bananas. Oh, one package of grapes, 2 apples plus 2x, and 2 bananas. 2 times 2.2 equals $12.80. Okay, so 2 times 2.2 hopefully is obviously 4.4, and so that's 4.4. I'm going to save myself some writing, and this is, we have to combine. I'm going to combine the like terms of 2.4 and 4.4. Now you get 6.8. So let's make this look like a two-step equation now. It's 2x. I've added up all the numbers, right? The one package of grapes and the 2 packages of bananas, and gotten 2x plus 6.8 equals 12.8. Oh, look at that. The decimals are going to go away when I subtract 6.8 from both sides. And I'm going to get 2x equals 6. Is that what I'm getting? Yes. And because I don't need 6.0. And then divide both sides by 2. X equals $3. The apples are $3.